So a quick video on why you should be really bullish on crypto, and let's get straight to it. Here you can see a monthly volume on decentralized exchanges in December. You can see we reached a new all-time high, much higher than it was in 2021 May, which was basically the Bitcoin all-time high when everything went crazy. NFTs, everything went so crazy in 2021 spring. And right now you can see we have reached a new all-time high, which is crazy because there is still no euphoria in crypto markets. I think the euphoria will come in January, February, when the basically president gets in the seat and he basically starts to deregulate the crypto, and basically he's really bullish on crypto, as we all know. And here you can see centralized exchanges volume in basically centralized exchanges. You can see we are really close to reaching again new all-time highs. The all-time high previously was again in May 2021. You can see around $4 trillion. Right now we are at 2 trillion. So we are not that far. And looking at the fact that that was in deep euphoria, and right now we have basically come close to new all-time highs, and we are not even close to euphoria. What this means is that many rich people are using crypto. Smart rich people, but the retail is not yet using crypto that much. We need retail because retail are basically normal people, everyday people that are starting to talk about crypto. When your family members start talking about crypto, that's when the euphoria will come. And that's why people should not focus on just Bitcoin price, because Bitcoin has went down from like 107,000 to 93,000 right now. If you look at the real metrics, the volume, because people are not using Bitcoin as a place to buy meme coins, NFTs, coins. That's why you have to watch the centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, the volume, what people are buying. But of course, Bitcoin is a major point when people start turning into a crypto. January 1st, 2nd or 3rd, that's when people will start to come back with new year's resolutions. They will want to get in shape, get rich, buy new stuff, buy crypto. And that's why, again, if you see the volume on exchanges, that makes me really bullish. That's why don't fade the crypto. And if you want to start trading, or if you want to get a big bonus for trading, you can use my referral link to sign up to a Bybit. Bybit is one of the most popular exchanges in the world. Bybit has basically most of the biggest coins on their exchange. You can use leverage, trade with leverage. Again, this is not a financial advice, but there are many cool things you can do in this exchange. And if you want a bonus up to 30,000, you can use my referral link in the description and in the comment section. And again, don't fade crypto. I think this is the beginning. The 2025 will be full-blown euphoria. This next presidential administration is really bullish on crypto. That's why I think this will be much bigger than it was in 2017 and 2021. I think this will be a huge super cycle because institutions are again buying crypto, buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum through ETFs. That's why, again, don't fight the crypto. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT, airdrop alpha, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.